So, terms and conditions. The foundation of congrats you've been promoted is this premise. Everyone has terms and conditions, not just refrigerators and warranties, okay? You have terms and conditions. You have things that are red lines. In order to be in a relationship, you have expectations on behavior, right? You have terms and conditions, and understand when you hire someone, they have terms and conditions. And the biggest mistake employers make, and I see this with small business owners all the time, is they believe because they're hiring you, you ought to appreciate the job, I'm paying you a wage, et cetera, right? And I get to have my way with you every day, all the time. People have terms and conditions. You have terms and conditions, so do the employees that work under you.